In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up MetaMask with Ledger. First, set up your Ledger device. This is crucial because a properly configured ledger establishes a secure foundation for your cryptocurrency management. Follow the instructions that came with your Ledger device. This usually involves initializing the hardware, creating a unique PIN, and writing down your recovery phrase. Ensure you keep this recovery phrase in a safe place as it is essential for accessing your funds if your device is lost or damaged. You will see a confirmation that your ledger is ready. This step is vital because it ensures that your device is functioning correctly before connecting it to MetaMask. Once that is done, connect your ledger to MetaMask. This step is important for allowing MetaMask to interact securely with your ledger device. It combines the user-friendly interface of MetaMask with the robust security of your ledger. Open MetaMask on your computer or mobile device. If you have not installed it yet, you can find it in your device's app store or download it from the official website. You will see the MetaMask Fox logo and the option to create or import a wallet. Next, set up your Ledger device in Ledger Live and install the Ethereum app. It is essential to keep your Ledger firmware and apps up to date to ensure you have the latest security features. Open Ledger Live and navigate to the Manager section. You will see options to manage your apps. Find the Ethereum app, and if it is not installed, click the Install button next to it. This process may take a moment, and you will see a progress bar indicating the installation status. Once the installation is complete, your Ledger device will be ready to work with Ethereum-based transactions. Now, unlock MetaMask. This step is necessary to access your wallet and its features. You will need to enter your password, and once done, you will be greeted by your account interface, showing your balances and transaction history. If you encounter issues unlocking MetaMask, it may be worth checking if your device is connected correctly or if there are any updates available. From there, open the account menu in MetaMask and select Add Account or Hardware Wallet. This option allows you to link your Ledger device to your MetaMask account. You will see a drop-down menu where various options are available. Choosing the right option is crucial for a seamless integration between MetaMask and your Ledger. Now choose Add Hardware Wallet, then select Ledger. This will initiate the process of connecting your Ledger to MetaMask. You will see additional prompts guiding you through the connection process. This is an important step because it ensures that you are adding your Ledger account as a secure option for managing your Ethereum assets. After that, connect your Ledger device and open the Ethereum app on it. On desktop, MetaMask may ask you to approve the connection. This prompt is a security measure, ensuring that you authorize the connection between your MetaMask and Ledger. Approving this connection solidifies the link between the two, enhancing your security while managing your Ethereum assets. Next, select the Ledger account you want to use and click Connect. The account will appear in MetaMask like any other account. This means you can easily switch between your Ledger account and any other accounts you may have. It is important to remember that every transaction must be approved on your Ledger device. This ensures that you maintain control over your assets and reinforces the security benefits of using a hardware wallet. By following these detailed steps, you have successfully set up MetaMask with your Ledger device. This integration allows you to enjoy the security of a hardware wallet while accessing the user-friendly features of MetaMask. This setup helps keep your cryptocurrency safe while providing a seamless experience for managing your digital assets.